I'm sad. Okay, guys, that was fake crying, and now I got the new Joe.
Hello, everyone. I'm the new Joe.
See?
Hello. Only for a little bit.
Okay, Elsie is still here. It's right here.
Hello.
Hello, can we have hugs?
Yeah, we can hug.
Yeah.
And
Hey, Joe, how do you feel about being the new Joe?
I feel very alive and healthy.
What are those? I've been meeting Joe for long, and it's been a long time since I've seen Joe. The sad story of life. Sad story of life. Sad story of life. The sad story of life. For real, I've been meeting Joe for long, but it's been a long time since I've seen Joe on YouTube since 2016. But this is Joe's replacement, as you see right here.
I'm the new Joe.
And Joe,
Hi, I'm the new Joe.
and also Elsie.
Farewell.
I've been seeing you for long due to the coronavirus. And right
I'm
here,
the new Joe.
how do you feel like being the new Joe?
Hi, I'm the new Joe.
Stop saying the new Joe.
I can only say that. That's the only thing I can say. Legally.
So I've been riding to the field park by the barn. He's been running with me all the time. This is just a joke. Okay, they're about to leave now. High five.
Bye, I'm Joe.
Yeah,
I'm Joe.
you're okay with me.
Yeah.
You already
I
high-fived
always
me.
have been. I've been
You already
Joe for
high-fived
years.
me.
I've been Joe for years.
What am I going to do? Bye, my replacement. I am sorry for Joe going away. He's at home.